What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on today's episode, me and my good friend Louis are going to have a Sportster chopper day. We're going to head over to Southwold. As you can see, I've packed my skateboard on the back. We're going to have a little skate at the skate park there, and then we're just going to check out the town. So hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get it. What are you doing, Coleman?
You can see the wind is blowing right now. We're just gone out of the halfway point down a road called Christmas Lane. It's one of my favourite roads, tiny little road that goes through like some countryside. It's beautiful. Yeah, we're about halfway there now, so we'll just head on. This part coming into Southwold, all you can smell is the sea air. It's like, just smells so fresh. It's lovely. The roads are beautiful coming in. You feel like you're riding through a forest to get to the beach. It's beautiful. Oh, straight over a big pothole. It's a hard thing on these like on choppers trying to film, man, because your camera's like that constantly, you know. So, or even you accelerate and your camera just falls down straight away.
You get like a massive gyro thing.
Yeah. That's what you need, man. Alright, we're just leaving Southwold now. It's been such a beautiful day. It's still a little bit windy out there, but you know, it's this time of year, isn't it? Sometimes you're getting sun, sometimes you're getting rain, sometimes you're getting wind, but it's been a great day. It's nice to get a little skate in at the park there and then just head a little bit around town. Got a coffee, got some food, and we're just gonna head back now.
All right, everyone, so I'm back home now. That was such a great day riding with my good friend Louis. You might have seen him on previous vlogs of mine. Here's the one with the black and flamed FXR that he's got. But yeah, his first bike was that Sportster chopper. His bike's in the garage at the minute, getting a little bit of work done. But it was such a nice ride, riding with another Harley again. You know, it doesn't happen that often. A lot of my friends have a lot going on, and I work a lot of weekends, so things don't normally line up. But so great to get out, like double choppers, double Sportsters, riding to the beach. Such a great day. If you guys like this episode, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.